everyone, how are you? So this is our 3x3 Rubik's cube and I'm gonna solve it using these formulas. So first of all, I'm gonna make the first and second stage. This is the first layer and then I'm gonna solve using these formulas. So let's start. First of all, I have to see that my pieces are matching with their own respective center pieces or not. So my blue piece, you can see my blue piece, it is matching with the colors, but I have to flip this piece. You can see it, I have to flip this piece. So I will use this formula. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted, like this. So let's see another piece, my green piece. I have to put it on the top and then start it. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. It has matched. Now let's see your red piece, where it is. This is a red piece. It is already matching, so we don't have to use the formula and we will directly place it on the top. Our orange piece is also matching, that's good. So our plus is done. Now we have to use second stage, which is right inverted, down inverted and right down. So we have to find these corner pieces that should match their respective colors, no matter where it is. So first I'm going to find this piece I have. I will place it like this. You can see red, white, green. So the place doesn't matter, we will fix it in using this step. So let's start. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. We have to repeat this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. So we have to do it once again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. So this piece has matched its respective color. Now let's see, I have this orange, green and white piece. Let's place it right here on our right hand side and let's again use this formula. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. We have to use this formula a couple more times. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now let's find another piece. I have this piece white, red and blue. I will place it like this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Now you can see I have all my pieces, but this piece, I have to flip this piece right like this. But I can't. So I have to use the same formula to flip this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. So my first layer is all solved. Now I have to move on this middle stage, middle layer of my cube. So for that I have this formula. This is known as stage third. So we will flip our cube and we have yellow on top and white at the bottom. So it is compulsory to take white on the top and yellow on the bottom until we are in a stage 3. So let's start. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front inverted. So you can see my cube is like right here. So I have to flip this. So I will use this formula again. It is on my right hand side, so I'm going to use the right hand side formula. Up inverted, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. See, my white layer is not disturbed and that piece has came out. Once more, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, up, front. So my piece has matched. Now let's see another cube. I have this piece, white, I have orange and green. Green is on my left hand side, so I'm going to use left hand side formula. Up inverted, up, left inverted, up, left inverted, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. So my piece has matched its color. Now I have red and green, I have matched. Now let's start. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. So you can see I have made all the corners except this one. So let's make this also. It is on my right hand side, so I'm going to use this formula. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front, up, front. It's done. Now I have this second layer also completed. It's solved. Now let's do the last layer. So this is my yellow piece that I am going to make. So to make this, there are two main, like we can say two major things, that there should be opposite L and there should be an opposite L, or there can be a minus. We can make it with the help of a minus or a opposite L. So let's make it front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. So you can see now my minus, I can see my minus. Now let's start with this. Front inverted, front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. So as I have said that plus, to make yellow plus, there are two main things that are compulsory, a minus or an opposite L. Now pieces are matching, but suppose if my center pieces are not matching, so what I have to do? Let me dismantle it first. Now you can see my pieces are not matching, only one of them is matching, or we can say only two of them are matching. So I will keep them in my right hand side and my back hand side. So let's do it. Right, up, right, inverted, up, right, up, two times, right inverted. So I have to move, my cube was like this, I will turn it once and you can see my center pieces are matched. Now I have to make the last layer, the corner piece. So let's see if some of my pieces are matching or not. Nothing is matching. See, the three main points are that these colors should match their center pieces, no matter where they are, but they have to be matched. But in these cases it is not matching, so let's use this formula from any of our sides. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see this piece has matched. So let's use it once more because rest of them are not matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see nothing is still not, it's not matching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see these two pieces are matching and these two are not. So for that we have to use the last stage formula, that is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. It was the same formula that we used in our stage 2. So let's start. Keeping this piece on our right hand side, let's start. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Once more. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. So let's keep this piece also on our right hand side. Once more. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Once more. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Last time. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. So you can see my cube is matched. If my pieces were like this, then I have to move them a little bit and they will match their respective colors. So this was the video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.